Welcome to the water control revolution. Introducing the Easy Faucet, an innovative 3D printed device designed to regulate your hose's water flow safely and effortlessly. With its simple, sturdy, and customizable design, this faucet is perfect for DIY projects, gardening, or home experiments. Download it, print it, and enjoy complete control with just one twist. Let's remove the supports. Grab your tools and carefully take them off. We're one step closer to building this awesome project. Time to screw the T into the square body. Make sure it's tight and ready for the next step. Key moment. We insert the pincher into place and secure it using the hose itself. Let's do this. Feed the hose through the round opening from one side to the other and let the magic unfold. And that's it. Our Easy Faucet is now ready for use. Enjoy the control total. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for joining us on this fun tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more awesome projects. See you next time.